Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Express. Stock number is A6753. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Looking at the tread on the Bridgestone tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row, third row, and fourth row seating here. So obviously plenty of room for the whole family. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. You have a rear backup camera on the back here. Look in the back. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have cruise controls, climate control, full stereo, that includes a CD player, and auxiliary input. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Express on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.